Hey guys, Captain Austin here with Totally Tiki Tours. Going to talk to you today about our 2-hour sunset trip. So obviously 2 hours, you can bring whatever you want to eat or drink. The biggest thing about that trip is obviously watching the sunset, and we get a good view of it here behind St. Pete. So trip normally start just cruising around, go check out some nice houses over at Snell, try to find a dolphin or two before the sun sets, and then we go out into the bay just to get the best view that we can of the sunset here in downtown St. Pete. Always a good sight to see, and never get tired of seeing it. Again, if you want to book one of our trips, you can either book with us online at totallytikitours.com, or you can give us a call at 727-377-0700. Thank you.